So hello everybody. Thank you for joining me today. So this is the first video in a series of videos I will be doing in regards to Crockpots and Instapot meals. So today I'm going to be whipping up some meatballs, some potatoes, and some vegetables. So I am so excited about this, guys. And I appreciate you guys joining me. I'm doing a series of videos, so please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out. Thank you for joining me. Let's get to it. So we're going to start off with some potatoes. So I have my potatoes I've washed. I put olive oil on. I have my Heart's Steel garlic guru seasoning. Also, I have my Mediterranean Himalayan salt spice blend. Also, I have some roasted rosemary bell pepper seasoning. I also put a little dash of black pepper as well. And I turned on my Instapot, and I'm actually sauteing the meatballs. I'm gonna brown them both on each side for 2 minutes, and after that I'm going to use my wire rack to put the potatoes on. So I'm gonna let those saute for a few minutes. So here we are. We got the potatoes on top, and as you see at the bottom, we have the meatballs. So what I'm going to do is let these cook in the Instapot for about 35 minutes, and we'll check on them afterwards and see how it looks. Voila, they're done. Don't they look good? Delicious, yum yum. So let's see how they are plated. So hello everybody, I'm back. I'm gonna try this food. Let's see how it tastes. I did put a different variety of spices in there, hoping that it tastes right. So I'm gonna try the meatloaf first. Not meatloaf, meatball first. Let's see. Okay, good. I think the pressure cooker, what it does is it retains still retains the juices in regards to the meat itself. It's not dry. So what I did, I steamed some vegetables as well. So it's really good. And the potato. And then that's one thing that I was concerned about, making sure that potato cooked through and through. So I did get the variety colored potato. So this is the purple potato. Still hot, but good. It's really good, guys. So yeah, this is the potato. It's still juicy. And it is very hot to touch. So so basically I got gold potatoes, purple ones and red ones, little small ones. So it goes very good with this. One of the things I want to try too is probably do like a meatloaf and then do some potatoes and meatloaf at the same time. I didn't want to put the vegetables in there to cook with it because I didn't have any aluminum foil to separate it. So I just went ahead and cooked the vegetables or steamed them, by themselves. But I know I could have I had the option of putting them in there at a certain time, letting them cook with the food. But, you know, I didn't want my vegetables to, you know, to cook or be mixed with the potatoes, and maybe probably the potatoes, but just definitely not with the meat. So, you know, they turned out pretty good. So I'm very happy about how things turned out. I will be definitely using the Instapot a little bit more. This took 30 minutes. So what I did, I sauteed the meatballs first, and I, you know, let them cook a little bit to allow for the meatballs to set, so it won't be a big mess at the bottom of the Instapot. So when I did that, I think that kind of made it, you know, firm in regards to the shape of the meat. And then I coated the potatoes with seasoning and olive oil, so that pretty much helped the potatoes to become you know, tasty. Now I'm going to try probably more herbs, probably more fresh herbs and spices as well. The Hearts of Steel seasoning, the garlic guru, really played a great part in helping this particular meal to be tasty as well. There is no sodium in that, so that is that's a very good seasoning to have. In fact, I'm going to leave a link to It's Still Seasoning on this post. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and you know, check them out. So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. This is my first one, so, and I pretty much you know, wanted, I mean, I know I kind of did this a different way than other videos, but I want it to be something that's quick and not too long, but at least kind of give you an idea of how to, you know, to do things, you know, for those that do have Instapots, to give, you know, an idea of how to, you know, go about, you know, making the meal. So I can't wait to do the next one, guys. So hopefully you all will have a great rest of your day, and I'll be talking to you soon.